Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
We will continue to do that because that is our commitment to the youth of our state.
Kajing lekai sports kamut tang muncul job kita kama regete ya kajing long kehikai menteri shitam bat kajing kai ru ban long ki berhenti ong menteri rang ba kajalau konrad ki sangma habakern hakmat ki khazana jangut tam ki nong lekai sports we lumlang Wahïajer multi sports complex stadium jawai hakar puitrik lalingkot ajar posan hakajing play ka 6 Meghalaya games ajar posan Ulakin turu iki samla bat ki hybrid nang ilaka bikin tre hitam ban yang wat iki jing syarem ban yo jing kai ni jing syarem bat ban penjanai shushu ila ka jong kabun ulapen pauru baga jing penlong ya ka de lempung ilaka na ko district sya ko pan kalong ban penpoi ki kam penroi shabro ki benta pher jong ka jella haga jing play ka ni lempung ilaka ki nong shim benta kla pen iya ka sap shat bat ka jing rai ka dong musa jong Meghalaya games kum ka jing play ya ka ni lempung ilaka
He has also been awarded the Hole-in-One certificate by the Indian Golf Union. These are the two athletes right before you.
What you've just seen now, the flame in the hands of girls Vanna Singh in Sanna and Devi Alaska Agna and Kunse. But now the flames and the torch are in the hands of Shailam Maburong and Yadam Mayalang Tupu from East Janta Hills and West Janta Hills district. One of them has been awarded the longest Olympic Games 2024 50 kg, and the other one has been a participant in the represent Meghalaya for the International Super Bowl Cup. She has represented Meghalaya for the International Super Bowl Cup.
Yes, the game has just been lit. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Please, let's give them a big round of applause. The flame for the 6th Meghalaya Games has just been lit.
A very happy Meghalaya Day to each and every one of you. And on this 53rd anniversary of Meghalaya's statehood, I am very happy to be part of this opening ceremony of the 6th Meghalaya Games. The very outset, I would like to congratulate many people. Our Honorable Minister for Sports, his entire team that have made the arrangements and this particular program a possibility. Our MLA, who has worked day and night, the members of the MSOA, the members of the different associations, and all the other stakeholders who have contributed to making the 6 Games what it is today. Each one of you deserves a round of applause. We have always mentioned to all of you that the youth are a very, very important part of our policy making, of the schemes that we implement, of the work that this government does. And this particular games and the 4 games that happened during the tenure of this government is a testament of this commitment to our youth. We have ensured that these games have been held on a rotation basis because we believe that every region has got its strengths. We believe that the youth of our state must interact and visit different parts of our state. We believe that every region, every district must be developed and given the opportunity to host games like these. Friends, today, with the hosting of this game, a lot of infrastructural development has taken place in Jawai area and West Jaintia Hills as a whole. Playing sports is not just about winning a medal. Playing sports and participating in such games is about discipline, is about hard work. It's about accepting defeat, learning from that defeat, and improving your skills. It is about building character. It is about bringing our athletes to different parts of the state. I'm sure there are many of you who must have visited Jawai for the first time, visited Jaintia Hills for the first time. And I'm sure there were many of you who had visited Turai last year for the first time. We want to build up that unity among our people. It's about culture, learning about different tribes, different communities and their way of life. I wish all the athletes the very best. As I said, it's not about or only about winning. It is about becoming a better person. It's about participating. It's about enjoying these moments. These memories will be with you forever.
In the name of all participants, I promise that we will take part in the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 West Jaintia Hills districts. In the royal competition, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our country and the glory of sports. Thank you.
When fully filled, it rises to fly. When released, and surely we can see that right before us. 6 of them will be now flown. The din comes here to celebrate this momentous occasion, the 6th Meghalaya Games. Oh, one goes up again.
Celebration ali lekmen bao ila kubor ng maya kajing kemen kajing sok hagawa yuoy Wahïajer ni gibingkum pen kemen ni giben sel yong i yeng tnai ki hanidur do per. These dinkums are being locally made by people who are very creative in their own ways. Churuk ko kadem ko em hapo yong katudingkum.
And there they fly right up in the sky, ignited by the heating air. The districts have gathered here and paraded before you in the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025. You are who have come here to watch, and we request all of you to go and watch them as well. Encourage sports, encourage youth, and encourage leaderships. Because at the end of the day, sports persons also makes great leaders. A round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, in front of us, athletes from Plie district. A big round of applause for all of them, please.